The two-in-one washer-dryer combo, as you can see here, has emerged from its niche status to challenge the status quo. For a lot of the early history, they used condensers in order to dry. So what that means is that the all-in-one used to be criticized for just basically steaming your clothes as opposed to actually drying your clothes. However, that changed in the 2020s with the introduction of the heat pump. The drying method, a lot of the all-in-ones nowadays are going to be ventless. So what this means is they recycle air and remove moisture via a drainage pipe. Whereas with the traditional washer and dryer set, it pulls fresh air, heats it, blasts it into the dryer, and then expels it out of your house. Utility needs, it's a lot more minimal with the all-in-ones. They often only need like a 120 volt outlet and a cold water line. Whereas with the separated washer dryer sets, you usually have like a 240 volt high voltage line, or like a gas line potentially, and then you have the vent, so there's a lot more that goes into setting those up, and then you have like the laundry room that takes up like a whole room in your house. So the primary argument against the two-in-ones used to be speed. In a traditional set, you can daisy chain loads, washing a second load while the first one is in the dryer, while in a two-in-one, it's occupied for the entire duration. However, modern engineering has mitigated this. The two-in-one turns laundry into a passive background task, so you can load the machine at 11 p.m., wake up at 7 a.m., and have fresh, clean clothes. There's also the energy conservation and fabric longevity aspect to consider. Not only are you going to use less energy because of the heat pump, it's also going to be a lot more gentle on your clothes because it's going to be a more even temperature throughout the dry. So it'll be softer on your elastics and on your other expensive clothing items too. So, in conclusion, the two-in-one dryer is no longer the compromise appliance for tiny apartments that it used to be. It has evolved into a sophisticated, high-performance machine that respects both the user's time and environment. They are the future.